everyone, this is Lydia. Today I'd like to introduce you our fast speed roof panel reforming machine. This machine can produce 20 meters per minute. If you are interested in this machine, let's have a look. This roof panel production line is fully automatic, from the hydraulic decoiler to the reforming machine and the auto stacker. Now I'm standing at the hydraulic decoiler. This decoiler is very large. You can see it is very high and taller. This decoiler can load 10 tons steel coils. It can run the steel coil automatically. After that, we will go into the reforming machine part. We put the hand wheel to make the steel coil always on the center line of the reforming machine. This is very important when you use the machine. You can see this machine has a very different structure than other roof panel machines. This is a cast iron stance and gearbox driving system. The cast iron stance is normally used in 2 mm thickness, but also can use in a roof panel machine if you asked. So this machine can work in 20 meters per minute, very in a performance stable. So this production line has 18 forming stations. You can see all the rollers are very shining because they have post templing and chroming and chroming, so it has a very good resistance when you use. They are very stable during the production. Here you can see we use the flying shear to make the cut. This is electric cut. You can see it has 4 columns in this cut head. Normal cut head only have 2 columns. So this cut structure is also more stable and more resistance for use. During the cut, the cutting head will go together with the steel with the profile, so it doesn't need to stop the reforming part. It doesn't need to stop reforming motors. That's why this working speed can up to 20 meters per minute. After the cutting part, you can see we use an automatic auto stacker. It will take the finished profile and put it down with the chain. With the chain, it can take out all the profiles finished. So on this line, you only need one operator to do all the process, to do all the working process. It can save lots of cost in your production. So let's have a look how this machine works in automatic mode and how the profile comes out. In the roof panel reforming machine, you only need to set up the length and the quantity you need to do. Here you put set and enter the length you asked, press OK, and here you set up the quantity you need to produce and press OK. Then don't forget to press confirm. It's very important. And after that, you need to produce the stacker number. For example, we press 10, then confirm. After that, change the mode into automatic. Press start, then the machine runs automatically. 3 meters long, perfectly matched. The effective width 1026 to here. There are many ways to make the roll forming machine. Linbay Machinery can offer you economic choice and also can provide you high configuration machines. Besides, Linbay Machinery ensure that when you receive our machine, it is well adjusted and you can start your production immediately. We offer you very detailed installation video and explanation manual book. And our technical group will always online to provide you technical support and suggestions. If you are also interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with Linbay Machinery. Happy New Year! See you next time. Bye bye.